In this video we're going to show you how to remove the boot lock from a Renault Clio Mark III. Tools you'll need for the job: a ratchet with a screwdriver and a T20 and a T30 Torx, a flat screwdriver and a trim removal tool. So you need to remove these trims on both sides. If you drop the parcel shelf, pop the little cap off there using a flat screwdriver, and there's a T20 Torx in there. And then there's one clip about here. You can't get to the back of it because it's in the cavity down the side in the boot. So you've just got to use a trim tool to sort of get in, and the chance of breaking the clip is quite high just because you can't get to it. You just pull it sort of that way towards the wiper, and then it pulls down and out of there. Now there's 3 T20 Torx to remove. There's one there, one on the same spot on the other side, and one more there. Now you can remove this trim. It's just clipped in now, so using your trim tool, find a gap near the edge in the corner and just pop it down. Work your way around. Once you can get your hands in, give it a pull, again working your way along. That'll drop down. Now you've got access to the lock. There's 2 T30s. Now that'll wiggle out towards you. Push that tab in there, that's also keeping it in. If you're in trouble getting it out, just free that cable from that guide there. And the plug there, just push the sensor in. And pull it out, that's the lock removed.